How can I ensure the best viewing experience when streaming Disney Plus on an older iPad?
Welcome to our tutorial where we'll cover how you can enhance your Disney Plus streaming experience on an older iPad. With a few tweaks and optimizations, we can ensure smoother streaming and better overall performance. Let's dive right in.
Is your Disney Plus app up to date?
First and foremost, make sure your Disney Plus app is up to date. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can significantly enhance your streaming experience. You can check for updates in the App Store on your iPad.
Is your iPad's operating system up to date?
Similarly, ensure that your iPad's operating system is current. Go to Settings, then General, and finally, Software Update, to check if there's an update available. Remember, some app updates may require a specific version of the operating system to function optimally.
How good is your internet connection?
A strong and stable internet connection is crucial for smooth streaming. If you're experiencing issues, try moving closer to your Wi-Fi router or consider using a wired internet connection if possible. Restarting your router can also help to reset and improve your connection.
Have you cleared your iPad's cache?
Over time, your iPad collects temporary data or cache that might slow down your streaming experience. Go to Settings, then Safari, and tap Clear History and Website Data to clear your cache. Note, this will erase your browsing history, cookies, and other browsing data.
Have you tried restarting your iPad?
When all else fails, restart your iPad. This can often resolve minor issues and speed up your device. To do so, hold the top button and the volume up button until the power off slider appears. Slide it, then wait for your iPad to turn off. After a few seconds, press the top button again until your iPad turns back on. By following these simple steps, you can maximize your Disney Plus streaming experience on an older iPad. We hope this guide has been helpful, and remember, a smoother streaming experience is just a few tweaks away. Happy viewing!